Hey guys, River Dave with Team RDP. Welcome to 2891 Indian Springs Road. Before we get started, I want to show you guys something. Do you hear that? That's right, this is a very quiet neighborhood. The way the roads are routed, you only come down this street if you live here. So that's perfect for kids, perfect if you want a golf cart around to your neighbors. Very, very cool location. Plus, on top of the location, the Riviera launch ramp just opened. It's right down the street, just minutes away, so that's an added bonus. This particular house has a 3-car garage, 8-foot doors, so good for your day cruisers, Spectras, Halletts, Chiatas, stuff like I like. That bay, 49 foot deep. The house itself is a 3-2. The kids' bedrooms or extra bedrooms are in the front, and the master's in the back with its own access to the backyard. And wait till you guys see this backyard, it is phenomenal. The house is very lightly used, it's in perfect condition. One of the nicest taken care of homes I've seen. Let's go inside and take a look. All right guys, welcome inside the home. This house is brand new inside. It has, to my knowledge, not been used. It's like a time capsule, it's amazing. But what I wanted to point out, as I mentioned, that floor plan outside is one of my favorites. The living room is huge. The dining room is huge. You can put a much bigger table over there if you want. The kitchen is wonderful with a great view out to the outside of the pool area. It's a really, really unique floor plan. The 2 guest bedrooms are over here. The master's right over here. But for right now, let's go check out the main course, which is the backyard. All right guys, welcome to the main course. This is the backyard, beautiful travertine, absolutely stunning pool and jacuzzi, and the hits are gonna get better and better. As you can tell to my right here, the sun's getting ready to set. Epic sunsets from the jacuzzi or there's an entire seating area behind the camera here. To my left, wait till you guys see this. You come over here, if it's hot outside, no problem. They got the roll down shades, which I've never done before, so bear with me, but roll down shades to block the heat on the patio. You can roll them up right at sunset. During the winter time, this house is very, very well thought out. Sorry about the swinging handle there. When you're sitting here in the winter time with your fire pit going, the sunset's right there. Can you guys believe that? Now, the other thing that you're gonna see here in just a moment, there's an actual lake view that way. So if you're in the jacuzzi during the summertime, you can look at the lake, or if you're sitting here in the wintertime, you get to watch the California monsoons go by. It's pretty epic. So we talked a little bit about the wintertime sunsets. The summertime sunsets, where do you think these are angled to? You sit right here, and you watch the sunset right in the mountains. All right guys, we've already covered a little bit. Beautiful pool, beautiful spa, epic sunsets, but they also got this little built-in bar right here, built-in barbecue, and the fire pit, both tied into a 100-gallon propane tank on the side of the house, which is in the shade. That's important, we'll tell you why later. Anyhow guys, let's check out the seating area, or what I'd rather call it, the viewing area of the sunsets. This house is an amazing opportunity at an amazing price. All right guys, we're leaving the bar / outdoor kitchen right here, and I wanted to show you something. This house is set up for sunsets. Notice the entire viewing area out here, plus the table. The sunset's right there in the summertime, right there in the wintertime. There's a nice lake view right here that you can see from inside the spa, which is important. The drop down shades, if it gets too hot, we already went over a little bit of that. The key to this house, in my opinion, is the backyard, backyard, backyard. The travertine, I don't even want to tell you guys what this would cost to put in nowadays, but the landscaping's beautiful. It's very well thought out. The pool equipment's hidden behind a wall. Everything's just beautiful. This would be a great, great VRBO, great young, first-time home buyer for a second home or a primary, and great for snowbirds or an elderly couple where they want to keep their pontoon boat in a slip. It's right down the street with the Riviera. Anyhow, guys, I really hope you enjoyed the tour. Give us a call, 928-225-3375. Thanks.